Hello, Harrison here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on your Peacock app on iOS. So first you want to do is just go to the App Store, go to the search bar and go for the go to your app. You got your app, and maybe you just don't have the newest version. Here we got the newest version, and when I have the open bar, you should have the update bar. But if the issue still popping out, I'm gonna show you the another ways. First, go to the settings, scroll all the way down, apps, here, find your app. Here we got Peacock, and here maybe you just don't have auto tracking, background refresh, or the Siri settings, and you should have everything on the fabric. But if you got everything like me and still got some issues, problems with the app, maybe you just need to go to the here, go hold your app, remove the app, remove uninstall, and go to the App Store again and reinstall the app. And if you reinstall the app, there should be no more problems with the app, and we got the back. So if the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.